Fuck, bro, they have our teammate pinned. Where do we move?
Let's move through the woods.
I see a guy.
Hey.
About 250 feet out.
Hey, you're trying to come on me, alright? I'm trying to push in, dude, like, bro.
You see those guys right there? Bro, your gun has the range. Go
nah, dude, otherwise I'm trying to go through here.
Bitches right there, look, they're looking at us too. You see that nigga right there? Save your ammo, save your ammo. I think he's out of your range.
Dude, that's why I'm telling you, listen, dude, I'm pushing in through there. Yeah, I'm going through over here now.
You're going to those shacks where our teammates are at, right? Move up? Yeah. All right. Hey, did y'all get that kid behind that blue pallet over there? What's up? Hey, guys. I'll cover your left. Don't worry about it, bro. I got your left. I got your left. Don't worry. Hey, you. You, behind the shack. Looking around the corner. Okay, just ignore me then. Oh, what the fuck happened to my... What the fuck? I think I lost the fucking shit. Okay. It's all good. Don't fucking retreat. Don't fucking retreat. Check that! Fuck. Shit. Last mag. I need mags! I need mags! I'm friendly over here. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I need mags, dude. Just one. That's perfect. Oh shit. Game! Here, bro. We held them off at least, bro. Shit.